Hi everyone, it's Simon Killing here at weatherweb.net, and it is Monday the 23rd of February. Thanks again for watching. And as we get into the final part of February, rainfall totals coming in across England and Wales at 51% at the moment. We're going to see a fair amount of rain in places during the remaining days of February, so those totals are probably going to come up. We may well end up nearer the sort of 70% mark, I would have thought, by the end of the month, but certainly I think we will see rainfall totals lower than normal. Or at least lower than average. What I use the term normal, even I'm falling into the trap now. Anyway, as far as Scotland is concerned, 44% at the moment. That's going to be coming up as well over the next few days. And Northern Ireland at 44% as well. Again, that increasing. I think this idea of sort of 70% is one that looks a reasonable figure right now. Now, temperature-wise, this is taking us to the end of the month, so it includes the forecast for the next, how many days is it? 5 days? For the next 5 days too. Gives us a final sort of guesstimate as to how things shape up globally. Just look how cold it's been across Greenland, down through Canada, through the eastern parts of the States, through February. Also, temperatures near just below normal across much of the UK through central and western parts of Europe, but by contrast, much milder out towards the east. Near normal temperatures down across much of South America. Africa's been mild across the north, near normal to the south. Australia, above normal temperatures for the western two-thirds, near normal towards the east. Asia generally seeing temperatures above normal. That's resulted in a global anomaly of around half a degree above normal. Important to note, though, those figures just calculated from the model, so we have to wait and see what the actual figures come out with. Now, this is the sea surface temperature anomaly running through winter so far. So this is going from the 1st of December through to the 21st of February, which is the latest date that data is available for. And so interesting to see, look, this cold pool of water that's just being positioned out here to the west of the British Isles, but conversely then, this warmer pool of water here to the east of the States, affecting much of the Western Atlantic. And it's that feature there that we're interested in, because that has been helping to promote the ridge that we've seen as well. This is the mean 500 millibar heights for winter, so from the 1st of December through to the 21st of February. Yes, we're not to the end of winter just yet, but this is taking us almost there. These are the mean 500 millibar heights, and they really do show quite dramatically, look, the trough that's been across much of Central Europe there, but this ridge too, look here, coming in off the Atlantic. And so long as that warm water and cold water contrast is there, then that ridge can continue to build. Because what's happening is the southwesterly wind is just pumping constantly warmer air northwards. It builds the heights, it builds the ridge and allows it to get into place. So this is the prediction for the rest of February. There's that ridge. And even for March, look, it's still there. The CFS prediction for March is showing us again the ridge is still hanging around, although it does try to bring more of a trough towards the north. And even the forecast for the whole of April still got the ridge in evidence here, look, building through the British Isles. And there's the sea surface temperature prediction from the CFS for March, for the whole of March. And look, there's the cooler water west of the British Isles. There's the warmer water too. And then April looking like this. Look, still quite similar. Cool water to the west. There's the warmer water east of the British Isles. And look, very similar setups over the western parts of the States with very warm water there. That promotes the ridge out here, eases the trough into the eastern states. Then we get this return here, trough then out in the Atlantic, pumps in the west-southwest through the UK, keeps us into a very similar pattern. So as long as that water temperature stays that way, then actually what you see is pretty much what you get just at the moment. Okay, just a quick look through the rest of this week. Unsettled week ahead. There's today. Look, there was our area of low pressure northwest of Scotland, driving in some pretty heavy showers for some, particularly western and southern areas this afternoon. Tuesday sees the low transfer eastwards. We've got a brisk and cold northwesterly flow developing, pretty cloudy, pretty damp through Tuesday. More persistent rain coming through Ireland into Wales and England later. Wednesday, probably a better day, drier overall, but low cloud, mist, drizzle affecting the west and probably turning quite wet in Scotland later on. And then the second half of the week looking wetter. Fronts clearing the way southeastwards on Thursday, taking some pretty hefty bursts of rain with them. Some snow showers following into Scotland, Northern Ireland and northwest England, but drier elsewhere. And then heading into Friday, rather cloudy, some showers around at times on Friday, but a ridge of high pressure generally keeping things dry before again we see the southwesterly flow developing into Saturday, bringing more rain eastwards, most of it across northern and western areas, and pretty breezy too. And that then sets us up for showers on Sunday before going unsettled into the beginning of next week. Okay, I shall leave you with that for now. More information for private clients, though, coming your way very soon. If you are a private client, we'll give you some more detail on the seasonal forecast heading into spring. If you want more information, by the way, about becoming a private client, use the contact form at the top of the page here. Who becomes private clients? Well, anybody from farmers through pilots, sailors, all the way through to large multinational companies. We've got insurance companies, retailers, some of the major high street names who take both our forecasts and data. So if you do want any further information, please do get in touch. Just use the contact form, as I say, at the top of the page. So for now, whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Have a great day and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.